My girlfriend is coming. I want to cook for her, but I don't know how to cook. Oh no, this is very bad. I am in the kitchen. I look at the food. I look at the pan. I want to make a good meal. I want to make her happy. I take some vegetables. I cut the vegetables slowly. I cut them again. Small pieces, very small pieces. I take some meat. I put the meat in the pan. I turn on the heat. The pan is very hot. I look at the food. I wait. I check it again. I move the food. I mix it slowly. I mix it again. I hear a sound. Someone is at the door. I stop. I look at the door. I listen again. The sound comes again. I walk to the door. I open the door. My girlfriend is here. She smiles. I smile too. She is early. Now I am nervous. She comes inside. We talk for a moment. Then I remember. Oh no! The food! I run to the kitchen. I run fast. I look at the pan. Oh no! The food is very dark. It is black. It smells very bad. I feel worried. I feel very worried. I don't know what to do. This is not good. This is very bad. My girlfriend comes to the kitchen. She looks at the pan. She smells the food. I say, I tried to cook, but it is not good. I look at her. She laughs, and I laugh too. I feel better. I am not so worried now. She smiles. She says, "It's okay." I say, "Let's not eat this." She says, "Yes, we better not." I open the fridge. I look inside. I check again. There is no more food. No vegetables. No meat. I look at my girlfriend. I look at the fridge. I shake my head. No more cooking. We take our phones. We look for food. We check again. We order takeaway. We sit and wait. We wait for the food. We wait together. We talk. We laugh again. The food comes. We open the food. It smells very good. We eat together. The food is good. Very good. I feel happy. She feels happy. Today my girlfriend came to my house. I tried to cook for her, but the food is very bad. There is no more food at home. We laugh. We order a takeaway. We eat together. It is a good day. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.